Hi guys, I am Isa, and today we're going to start a new programming language named PHP. So start trying to install PHP. So we have this PHP installer. The link will be in the description. So I'm going to double click on it and click on download. It's going to be downloading. Now it starts downloading. Now it's going to show this, so we just have to press these dots, and then click on keep. I'm going to show more and then keep anyway. So it's finished. I'm going to open the file. Click on more info and run. So press this install. It's gonna ask you if you want to install it. You have to click on yes. I'm going to install. So now it's finished. We have this PHP shortcut on our desktop. So if we run the PHP shortcut, it's going to go up a command line where it can write PHP functions. You can write PHP code. We're actually just going to go to environment variables. So it is the system environment variables. Then you go down in the system variables, click on pass, press edit, and you click on new. Then you navigate to where the PHP is installed. So it should be in your C drive, in your program files, and in a folder named PHP. So click on here, and you press Ctrl+C to copy the path. Then go to the environment variables, click on new, then press Ctrl+V to paste. So and then you press OK for all of these. So now we've installed PHP, we need a server for PHP. So I'm just gonna make a new server, a new folder. I'm just gonna name it PHP tutorial. So then you have to go to a start menu and search for CMD. Change command prompt, then press enter. So it's going to show this command prompt. You'll need to navigate to where the folder is. It's called PHP tutorial. And CD to go to a folder, desktop. You're going to go to the desktop folder, and then CD PHP tutorial. No, in that folder. So now you have to do PHP, then dash capital S. That means dash server. So we're going to name it. So it has to be localhost, and then a colon, and it has to be a number from 1000 to 9000. Localhost 8000. And when you press enter, it's gonna start the server. So now if we go to our browser and do search for localhost 8000, it's going to show this error because there's no file for it to use. So let's make the file. First go into VS Code. So now we're in VS Code. So we're going to open the PHP tutorial folder. and then create a new file named index.php. It has to be called index if you wanted to run it. So in PHP, you can write HTML code. So HTML head and body. So if we do a H1, you can see stuff. Let's go ahead and say that stuff. So what's different about PHP files is that you can write PHP code in it. And so to start writing PHP, first you need a HTML opening tag, then a question mark, then you need the text PHP, and then for the closing tag, another question mark, and then a closing tag. I'm gonna press enter. So to print text onto the screen, we have to use echo. Then we put these brackets and what we want to print out. Whenever we're doing text, if we're writing text, you have to use these double quotation marks. So echo. So we're going to write this, and in PHP, all the lines must end with semicolons, but there are some exceptions which we're going to learn later. I'm going to say that another way of doing it is by writing print. Still, that's the same thing. So you can also print HTML code in PHP files. I'm going to do h1 and /h1. So if I do the same text, I'm going to instead make it a h1. So we can also make variables. So we can make a variable by writing the name of the variable, an equal sign, and these. I'm just going to put these quotation marks since I want to do text. So now it's showing an error because at the beginning of every variable there must be a $sign. So I have to put in stuff in there. If you want to view a variable, you have to enter the variable name and a $sign, because we always do that when we're writing variables. If I just print the normal name, if I just print my name is, and then it's a name variable. And we can also do numbers. So we'll do number equals 2. I'm going to say 9. If I write number is, and then this $sign for a fit for the variable, then number. So the reason we didn't put quotation marks in this number one is because that's how we always put quotation marks when we're dealing with text, not numbers. There's also Booleans. So is whatever. So is male. So I'm going to make it equal to true. So Booleans can either be true or false. So I'm going to do true. I'm just going to write is male, and then the is male variable. It says 1 because when we print out Booleans, true is 1 and false is 0. So we'll change this to false. It's not going to show anything, but actually means 0. because 0 isn't really anything. So anyways, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you've enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.